A lot to cover as far as severe weather is concerned today. Do you see this line of showers? That's all brought on by a strong cold front that we've been talking about over the last few days. Here's what you need to know. Today, you'll need to pull out your ponchos. Metal umbrellas, not a good idea with our storm threat. Turn on your weather radios as we do have a small threat for isolated tornadoes across the area a little later. It is a serious weather day through and through because we are under an enhanced risk for 90% of our viewing area. You'll see right down here, they've even extended it to cover the southern end of Randolph and Davidson counties. That just happened minutes ago. The only county not under that enhanced risk, but in a slight risk, is part of Montgomery County. This is very, very serious. And I'm sure many of you are thinking, what exactly does an enhanced risk mean? Okay, take a look at your screen and listen to what I'm about to tell you, because it means numerous severe storms are possible. Wind gusts could reach 60 miles an hour or more, and hail could reach up to 2 inches in diameter. So this is a serious situation. Also, lightning is going to be a huge threat out there this afternoon. Here are your specifics for Halloween. We know many neighborhoods have moved trick-or-treating to tomorrow, which is excellent news. It'll be a bit cooler, but it won't be wet and it won't be dangerous. Heavy rain tonight and severe storms are possible. The greatest threat for the triad is from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. as this cold front moves through. Once the front's through, we're done. But again, from 4 to 9, it's a very serious situation. The biggest threat, damaging winds, 60-mile-an-hour gusts, and isolated tornadoes. Now, I wanted to give you a visual of this front because as this front moves through, it will do so fairly slowly for some of you, faster for others. Once it hits the central part of the triad, it gets moving, and then this area of high pressure moves in, clearing us out, making us clear and dry, but you know, a cool down is coming. So we're going to go from temperatures in the 70s today to the 50s tomorrow, with lows dropping in the 30s. So that's something to think about too. But I want to focus on the rain right now. You'll see by about 5 o'clock some spotty showers popping up, but then that heavy line comes through at around 7:15. It's in the central part of the triad, and then by about 8:15 we're left with just some spotty showers throughout the area, and that all moves to the triangle. So here's what you need to know. This is your frightful forecast for tonight. You're going to be around 75 by about 5 o'clock, and all the way to 9 o'clock it's going to be nothing but showers and thunderstorms, and very, very heavy thunderstorms. And your Fox 8 Max weather team is going to be here with you every step of the way, especially if a tornado warning pops up. Should we have to cut in, it does not matter if we're on the air. We will bring you the latest information. Want to let you know too, we've got wind advisories. The wind advisories are right here in Wilkes, Yadkin, Surrey, and Stokes counties, and then we've got high wind warnings in Ashe and Allegheny counties. This is serious. If you have trash cans, recycle bins, Halloween decorations, they will end up in your neighbor's yard early on, but then they're going to be down the street as the evening progresses. When you have winds reaching from about 40 to 60 miles an hour, there's going to be debris flying around everywhere. So if you can, bring those things in your driveway inside, or at least in an area where you can strap them down so they don't blow around. Because here's your forecast winds. By about 4 o'clock, you're going to have wind speeds in the teens until about 6:15, 7 o'clock, even all the way to 10:30. But your gusts are much higher than that. Now, these are the gusts should a severe thunderstorm not pop up. These are just your general gusts, and you'll see that we're almost at 30 miles an hour by 4 o'clock this afternoon in High Point, and we're reaching the threshold of 30 by about 6:15 this evening. Again, this is pending a severe storm does not pop up. Should a severe storm pop up, these will amp up 30 more miles an hour into the 60-mile-an-hour range. We're still in the teens and 20s by 10 o'clock tonight, so it's a really serious situation. Here's an up-close view of radar, and you'll see right now just some spotty showers entering our mountain counties, but we got a lot of rain over the last 24 hours, totaling over an inch in some spots, and more to come. One good thing about this, it's gotten us out of the severe drought that we were in some spots, and we're going to keep chipping away because we are at that last code, the abnormally dry stage. So once this chips away, we are going to get back to normal in our area, and that is going to be a welcome change. Clouds over Greensboro right now, and for tomorrow, I wanted to mention, I know a lot of people moving Halloween to tomorrow. This is for 6:30 at night. You'll be 54 degrees and clear. So pop on those costumes. Go have a great time tomorrow. Over the next 7 days, take a look. Again, we're transitioning from the 70s to the 50s, but guys, we're going to start tomorrow morning in the 30s. So it's imperative that even though we're dry in the coming days, you realize you're going to have to pop out the winter coats in place of the raincoats.
We are in a candy panic right now over Halloween.
Yeah. I've got some at my desk I've been eating because I'm trying to do my part. You know,
Okay.
I think it's important. Yeah.
So if we don't come trick-or-treating today, will there still be some tomorrow?
You know, I can't guarantee that, Brad, but we'll see.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah.
I'm bringing my bucket over.
All right.
Okay.